BHD Vietnam Racking Factory Company Limited is a leading racking manufacturer located in Quang Nam Province, Vietnam. Established in 2018, BHD occupied an area of 45,300 square meters. Currently with 2 workshops and a third one to begin production by the end of 2024. The factory is equipped with advanced machinery, including high-capacity punching machines, precision roll forming lines, welding systems, and automated modern powder coating lines, ensuring the production of top-notch storage solutions with consistent quality and durability. Specializing in a comprehensive range of racking systems, BHD Vietnam offers products such as pallet racks, cantilever racks and wire mesh decking, designed to meet diverse storage needs. We exported more than 150 containers per month, primarily to the United States and Australian markets. Our products meet international standards, holding certifications such as AS4048. We have several competitive advantages, including no import duty, anti-dumping margin, or anti-subsidy margin to the United States and Australia. Experienced production team ensures good lead time. Close to Da Nang Port, just a 45-minute drive. Expertise in international sales and shipping, guarantees timely and smooth delivery. Our mission is to assist clients in maximizing warehouse space to reduce costs and increase their satisfaction. We expect to establish long-term business relationships with all racking distributors and buyers. BHD Vietnam Racking Factory has experienced remarkable growth in recent years and remains committed to providing the best products at competitive prices, supported by excellent after-sales service.